Class 10. English Grammar Essay Writing. 06 Previous Year Solved Question Papers. Year-wise 2013 to 2018. All previous year's solutions in one short video. Physical exercise year 2013/2018. Physical exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. It includes activities like walking, running, cycling, and playing sports, which help keep our bodies strong and fit. Regular exercise is essential for everyone, as it improves our physical health by making our muscles and bones stronger, and our heart and lungs healthier. Exercise also helps in maintaining a healthy weight by burning extra calories and boosting our metabolism. It is not just good for the body but also for the mind. When we exercise, our body releases chemicals called endorphins that make us feel happy and reduce stress. Moreover, physical exercise improves our sleep, increases our energy levels, and helps us stay active throughout the day. For students, regular exercise is important as it keeps the mind sharp and improves concentration. In conclusion, physical exercise is key to a healthy, active, and happy life. Floods in Assam year 2013. Floods are a common problem in Assam, especially during the monsoon season. Every year, heavy rains cause rivers like the Brahmaputra to overflow, leading to severe flooding in many parts of the state. These floods affect thousands of people, damaging homes, crops, and roads. The floods also cause a lot of problems for the people living in affected areas. Many lose their homes and are forced to move to safer places. The water from the floods destroys crops, which affects farmers and leads to food shortages. Additionally, roads and bridges get damaged, making it difficult for people to travel or get help. Floods also bring health issues, as the stagnant water can lead to the spread of diseases like malaria and dengue. The government and other organizations work hard to help the people during floods by providing food, shelter, and medical care. In conclusion, floods in Assam cause a lot of damage and suffering, and it is important to find ways to reduce their impact. Discipline year 2014. Discipline is an important quality that helps us lead a successful and organized life. It means following rules, being punctual, and doing our duties on time. Discipline is essential in every part of life, whether in school, at home, or in the workplace. In school, discipline helps students focus on their studies and complete their work on time. It teaches them to respect their teachers, follow school rules, and be responsible. At home, discipline means listening to parents, helping with chores, and managing time well. In the workplace, discipline is crucial for meeting deadlines, working efficiently, and maintaining a good relationship with colleagues. It also helps us develop self-control and avoid distractions that can lead to failure. Discipline is not just about following rules but also about building good habits. In conclusion, discipline is the key to achieving our goals and living a balanced, successful life. The festival you like the best. Year 2014/2016/2019. The festival I like the best is Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights. Diwali is a joyful celebration that symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. During Diwali, homes are cleaned and decorated with colorful rangolis and beautiful lamps. People light candles and oil lamps, which make the night bright and beautiful. The air is filled with the sound of fireworks, adding to the excitement of the festival. One of the best parts of Diwali is the delicious food. Sweets like laddus and barfis are prepared and shared with friends and family. New clothes are worn, and gifts are exchanged, spreading happiness and love among everyone. For me, Diwali is special because it brings families together and fills our hearts with joy and positivity. The bright lights and festive spirit make Diwali my favorite festival. Kaziranga National Park. Year 2015. Kaziranga National Park is one of the most famous wildlife sanctuaries in India, located in the state of Assam. It is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to the world's largest population of the one-horned rhinoceros. The park is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which adds to its importance. Kaziranga is spread over a large area and includes grasslands, forests, and wetlands. Besides the rhino, it is also home to elephants, tigers, wild buffaloes, and many species of birds. The park is a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Tourists visit Kaziranga to experience its natural beauty and to see the animals in their natural habitat. The best way to explore the park is through jeep safaris and elephant rides, which offer a close view of the wildlife. Kaziranga National Park is a treasure of Assam and plays a vital role in conserving wildlife and nature. A journey by bus. Year 2015. A journey by bus can be a pleasant and memorable experience. Recently, I had the opportunity to travel by bus from Guwahati to Shillong, and it was an enjoyable trip. The journey began early in the morning when the bus left the crowded city and started moving towards the hills. As we traveled, the scenery changed from busy streets to peaceful countryside with green fields and small villages. The fresh air and beautiful views of the mountains made the journey relaxing. The bus stopped at several places, allowing passengers to stretch their legs and enjoy some snacks. Inside the bus, I chatted with other passengers, making the trip more enjoyable. The winding roads and lush greenery as we neared Shillong were breathtaking. The journey took about 3 hours, and I felt refreshed by the end of it. Overall, the bus journey was comfortable, scenic, and full of new experiences, making it a memorable part of my travels. Television as a source of knowledge. Year 2016. Television is not just a source of entertainment, it is also a powerful tool for gaining knowledge. Through various educational programs, documentaries, and news channels, television provides valuable information on a wide range of topics. Educational programs on television help students understand subjects like science, history, and geography in an interesting way. Channels like National Geographic and Discovery offer documentaries that teach us about wildlife, space, and different cultures around the world. News channels keep us updated with current events and important happenings around the globe. By watching the news, we learn about politics, economics, and social issues that shape our world. Television also broadcasts programs that teach life skills, cooking, health tips, and much more. These shows can help us improve our daily lives and make informed decisions. In conclusion, television is an excellent source of knowledge, offering endless opportunities to learn and grow in an engaging and accessible manner. Science in everyday life. Year 2017/2020/2023. Science plays a big role in our everyday lives, making things easier and better. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, science helps us in many ways. In the morning, we use electric lights and appliances like toasters and microwaves, which are all products of scientific advancements. Our transportation, whether it's cars, buses, or trains, relies on scientific principles to function smoothly and safely. Science also affects our health. Medicines and vaccines that protect us from diseases are developed through scientific research. Daily hygiene products, such as soaps and shampoos, are created with scientific knowledge to keep us clean and healthy. Even simple things like cooking involve science. Understanding how heat affects food helps us prepare better meals. Science improves our lives in countless ways, making our daily activities more efficient and enjoyable. Your school library. Year 2017. Our school library is a wonderful place filled with books and resources that help us learn and explore new things. It is a quiet and peaceful space where students can read, study, and do research. The library has a large collection of books on various subjects, including literature, science, history, and more. There are also magazines and newspapers that keep us updated on current events. We can borrow these books to read at home, which helps us expand our knowledge and improve our reading skills. In addition to books, the library provides access to computers and the internet, allowing us to do research for our school projects. The librarian is always available to help us find information and suggest books. Overall, the school library is a valuable resource that supports our learning and encourages a love for reading. It is an essential part of our school experience. Your last day at school. Year 2018. My last day at school was a mix of emotions. It was a day filled with both joy and sadness. I woke up early, feeling excited about the new chapter ahead but also sad to leave behind my school and friends. The day started with a special assembly where teachers and students shared their memories and best wishes. We had a final class party where we played games, took photographs, and enjoyed delicious snacks. It was a time to reflect on the friendships and experiences we had shared over the years. As the school day ended, we said our goodbyes and exchanged heartfelt messages with our friends and teachers. Although it was hard to say goodbye, I felt grateful for the time I spent at school and the lessons I learned. My last day at school was memorable, marking the end of one journey and the beginning of another.